근데 산채 비빔밥은 비타민과
Our bibimbap has a lot of proteins and vitamins as well. Should we start?
Yes. Let's go.
So it's my first time to be translator, so it was a little bit tired, but it was so good. Now we're gonna do the seasoning.
먼저 간장을
We're gonna put 1 spoon of soy sauce.
마늘 반 스푼,
We're gonna add garlic,
다음은 후추,
pepper,
참기름
sesame oil,
half
half spoon.
스푼, 설탕
We're gonna add
spoon.
sugar.
손으로
Mix it with your hands.
Korean food is actually really hard to be found in UAE. There's not that many restaurants here as Japanese and the Chinese cuisine. So to be a part of this, I'm actually really honored.